Okay guys, so I heard your feedback. You guys wanted to see what the tune was actually like on the CFMoto 675. Sorry, in the last video I was trying to actually talk and explain everything, but figured you guys just want to see this thing run. So without further ado, let me start this guy up. This guy hasn't been started in, I don't know how long it's been, honestly. It's over a week for sure. I do have my draggy setup on here. I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to actually test it out, but we'll see what we could do. But first, get a nice cold start. Wow, this is like the worst time to possibly do this. My tires are cold. My S360 is like falling off, right? Oh my gosh, this is like the worst. Let me make a little U-turn here. But it's good. So just got back from a quick little ride. First thing I do want to say is I forgot how raw this bike feels on the BMW a little bit too much. I forgot this is very, in comparison, it's just so much. I mean, as a sport bike, it feels completely different. Topping on here for sure, you can definitely feel where there's some difference. When you're up in the higher rev range, yeah, you can feel the difference, like for sure. It's still pull. Couldn't really get on it too much because it's like kind of rainy out and I have a short window of time before it rains again. It's been raining like cats and dogs in Southern California. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But I wanted to at least get out there and show you guys the performance of the CFMoto with the MSC tune on it. I must say, I'm really enjoying this. It's been a minute since I've driven this thing, so yeah, it feels absolutely wonderful. But if you want to know my full thoughts on it, check out this video on the screen. This is my full thoughts when I got the bike tuned, my whole process of getting it tuned, what my initial impressions were and everything like that. Check that video out. Subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one.